YouTube. What's good, YouTube gang? You don't know what time it is. The Dan is back in the lab. You see me, I say gang. Yeah, man. I see what I do today, no, man. Yeah, man. We're there back with another banger. You see me? It's been a minute. Been a little minute, but I'm back. I'm back active. I hope y'all liking the new setup, the new vibes, everything. You see me? I say I hope everything looking good. Yeah. Make sure also, gang, I'll be live every day at between 8 to whenever, gang. So make sure you come through on the lives. We'll be doing music reactions, we'll be talking about topics, and we'll be gaming. You see me? So make sure you come in on the streaming journey. You see me? Come get Literature Boy every night between 8. We live. But yeah, man, we're there back with another banger. Today we're there with none other than the World Boss. It's only fitting. We kick it off. You see me? We'll be jumping the series, catching up on everything we missed. You see me? So we're there with the World Boss again. We're there with Vybz Kartel, one name They're Out of Love. We aren't. Hey, shots fired. You see me? I say, them out of love, baby. We aren't. You see me? We're full of love over here. I'm here for love, man. Hey, you see party. Yeah, man. So we check it out and Sway Dog David. You see me? I say, we don't want to provide much too longer. You see me? I say, we check it out. Sway Dog David. World Boss, Vybz Kartel. They're out of love. We aren't. Let's get it.
You will see, are you alone?
You will see how you alone, mama. Blood click. Come here, too.
Alone. You told me now one burner. We gave up on some girl boy, yeah. We didn't even have to talk about that.
Yeah.
Cause you have me like a controller.
Man say you have me as a one burner. Me give up on some girl boy, yeah. We didn't even have to talk about
one burner. We gave up on some girl boy, yeah. We didn't even have to talk about that. Cause you have me like a controller. Nah, y'all don't interest me. Bumper big, still not impress me. Inside and out, you're still sexy.
Yeah.
Cause you are my marriage and my honeymoon. My ex could never step in your shoes, Louis leather.
Hey, wait. I think I saw this song, gang. I saw this song, you know. It was going viral on social media. People were throwing shade, said I got you a shot at shorty, all type of things. People mix up, you know, dog. I want to, but about you, though. That was a big up in current woman, dog. You might not have to throw shade off an ex, dog. You see me? But
my ex could never step in your shoes, Louis leather. It's giving forever. And I love the way I move, where you move. And you brighten my life like the summertime, keeping me warm in the wintertime. And you brighten my life like the summertime.
Brighten my life like the summertime. Come true.
Living my life, I'm well good. Bad man, girl, not like you. One bag of line, I'ma tell you. No make them stress you.
One bag of lies, mama. No make them stress you, mama. I'm telling you.
Love, we aren't. They're out of love. We aren't. They're out of love. We aren't. They're out of love.
We aren't. Go on, show. Big show.
You told me in a real husband, and nobody can break this band. But hold me with a magic wand, and you hold me with a understanding.
Bumbo click. What you? Oh, you mean?
But hold me with a magic wand, and you hold me with a understanding. I can't stop seeing, cause I'm so happy.
I can't stop singing, cause I'm happy to blow it. Hey.
Happy. Say you're coming in my life for you, I'm a wife. My ex could never step in your shoes, Louis leather. It's giving forever. And I love the way I move, where you move. And you
easy now, man. Go on, show.
brighten my life like the summertime, keeping me warm in the wintertime. And you brighten my life like the summertime. Living my life, I'm well good. Bad man, girl, not like you. One bag of line, I'ma tell you. No make them stress you. They're out of love.
Sorry, that's just how much them out of love. We aren't. I want to don't listen to them. Don't listen to them, but hey.
We aren't. They're out of love. We aren't. They're out of love. We aren't. They're out of love. We aren't. Living my life, I'm well good. Bad man, girl, not like you. One bag of line, I'ma tell you. No make them stress you. They're out of love.
We aren't. Go on,
they're out of love. We aren't. They're out of love. We aren't. They're out of love.
Yeah, Yeah, man, them out of love and we baby. You see me? No man, they stress you, man. I'm telling you, man, they move up. That is it, Vybz Kartel. You see me? They're out of love. We aren't. Bad tune. You see me? I say bad tune. Big up your mum and see them. You see me? I say people say my George dog. You see me? I say, yeah, so you have to make your woman feel good, dog. Can't remember your ex and all these things. You see me? I say. But anyway, gang, let me know anything about the one in the comment section. If you like it, definitely show the artist some love and support, making noise at the dance. You see me? I say, we're back with the bangers, them, man. We're not play on the road, man. Hope you're liking the new setup and the quality and everything. We're consistent and we're back. You see me? I say, gang, come and take over. No jokes. Oh yeah, make sure you join the live. Yo, we're going live at 8 every day. We'll be gaming, we'll be talking about, we'll be doing reactions, we'll be talking about everything going on, the culture, music, all that good stuff. So make sure you come join me on streaming journey. Your boy a streamer. So pull up. You don't know. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.